What if you could turn any photo into something that looks hand-painted in under a minute using AI? Today, I'll show you how to transform your image into a rich oil painting effect using AI inside Kittl and make it perfect for DTF printing too. What is an oil painting effect? An oil painting effect recreates the look of traditional paintings, thick brush strokes, blended colors, and layered lighting. Digitally, AI simulates paint texture, soft edges, and depth so your image feels handcrafted instead of computer-generated. The result? Your design instantly looks more artistic, premium, and timeless when it's digitally used. This effect is popular in design because it adds emotion and storytelling. You'll see it used in streetwear graphics, poster art, sports portraits, album covers, and vintage-style designs. A normal photo shows what something looks like. An oil-style image makes it feel like it matters. Why is it perfect for DTF printing? Oil painting effects work amazingly for DTF printing for 3 reasons. First, the texture hides minor print imperfections. Second, gradients and color blends print smoothly with DTF. And third, it makes your design look like wearable art, not just a graphic. That instantly increases the perceived value of your shirts. Now comes the fun part. Let's bring this image to life and paint with AI. Open Kittl and look for a project template you want to use. I chose this one because the colors are interesting and might translate well into an oil painting effect. But first, let me tweak the text. Now we'll turn this into an oil painting effect. Click Artboard, then select Add Smartboard. Paste in the prompt. You can find this prompt in the description or visit the blogs at Transfer Superstars for more free prompts. Next, change the output size to 4:5. Make sure to select the model Nano Banana Pro, then click Generate. And here's the result. It already looks amazing. If we look at it closely, you'll see those fine details that look like a real oil painting while still preserving our base image. The brush strokes make it look even more realistic. I'm satisfied with this one. So what we're going to do next is flatten the image and then hit Upscale. After that, we'll remove the background. The background remover did pretty well, just as I expected. Let's go back to the artboard, move the design to the side, and then place the generated image onto the artboard. Let's see if this design would work on any background color or shirt. Click the Layers panel and select the background layer. Now change the color for checking purposes. If it looks good, turn off the background layer and proceed to download. Make sure Artboard 1 is selected. Set the resolution to 300 dpi, enable Remove Background, and then click Export. Let's try another one. I saw this design on one of Kittl's templates. Let's repeat the same process. Select the artboard and click Add Smartboard. Paste in the prompt and make sure to use the Nano Banana Pro model. Set the size depending on your preference, and then hit Generate. And there it is. It looks amazing as well. Let's take a closer look. Everything looks so real, it almost looks like embossed oil paint. I also love the unexpected burst of oil paint in the background, which makes it look even more realistic. So what we're going to do next is follow the same process to make this design print ready. After that, export the image once more.
Hey superstars, if you want to know exactly how we made this, the full prompt is inside our DTF Prompt Playbook. 20 effects, all tested on real transfers, all proven on real garments, puff print, embroidery, leather, silicone, denim. Copy the prompt, generate the design, send it to print. It's just that easy. Link in the description below. Now back to your video.
And if you want to print your design, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. Under DTF Transfers, click on DTF Transfers by Size. Here you can just simply drag and drop the image you're working with. Once the upload is complete, you can see the actual size of your image. If you are not satisfied with it, you can just simply resize it under Step 2. Just make sure your design is set to 300 dpi to ensure it's optimal for DTF printing. Also under Step 2, you can see the price of each design based on its size. Under Step 3, you can see the sample price computation based on quantity. You can also enter a custom quantity if needed. You can also check this box if you wanted it pre-cut. If you want to add more images, you can upload them here. Once you're done, you can simply click Add to Cart and then proceed to checkout.
If you're tired of hitting creative blocks, you need to try Kittl. It's an all-in-one design platform that handles everything from AI generation to pro-level editing. One tool, infinite possibilities, and no more wasted subscription fees. Check the link in the description to save 25% on your plan and level up your designs right now. We have the print. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's take a closer look, guys. It really does look like it's fully painted on. I mean, just like the strokes, you could tell. Like, this looks good, guys. I don't know. I feel like we're going to have to really look at it on a shirt to see it really pop. But right now, it's giving me that whole effect, like the whole image itself. And let's take a close look at the back. Yeah, that resolution is on peak, guys. I don't know if you could tell, but all the edges is as crystal clear as ever. So that just shows that the DPI is really at 300, then the resolution's at perfection. Okay, well, let's just get started here. For a beautiful design like this, it needs a good canvas. So we decided to go with this black Smart Blanks T, style number 402. For our heat press, we have our Fever 15x15 automatic heat press. If you guys are interested in both, we have the links in the description below. Let's get started. For the heat press settings, guys, we're doing 10-second press time instead of 7 seconds because this machine only does 5-second intervals. We're doing 300 degrees and heavy pressure. Turn on our laser. All right, guys, let's get ourselves situated here. I have the laser already preset to our alignment right now. Let's also just line up our shirt as well. Looks good. All right, let me grab the design. And then I'm just gonna find a midway point. I see that the paint on the side right here is the longest point on that side. I'm gonna try to equal it out with the longest point on this opposite side, just so we could get a good midway point. All right. Awesome. So it's looking like it's gonna be like around here, making sure that that end too as well is getting centered off properly. Yep, I think we are set. Less mess. All right. So again, I say this all the time, we usually wait a good 15 seconds before straight peeling, but understand that this is a hot and cold peel. With an image like this that has a lot of like solid detail, you can just pull it right away. So wow, okay, that came out pretty good. I am gonna use the back of this sheet to do a second press. The reason why I'm not doing the matte finishing sheet is because we want to keep some of that type of shine because we're trying to imitate oil paint. Alrighty. Okay. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look here, guys. This looks phenomenal. I love the fact that you could see every stroke like it's actually fully hand painted. This looks great, guys. Even the color differences that you see on the screen, the splats all on the side like it's 3D coming out of the whole image itself. It looks great, guys. Honestly, I think we did a great job putting this all together, having AI create a simple image to making it look handcrafted. Yeah, I think we did good, guys. Watch this graphic transform from a simple digital artwork to a rich oil painted design, brought to life on a real shirt, start to finish. Concept, creation, print, and press. If you learned something new or got inspired, hit the like button, comment how this helped you, and subscribe for more DTF tips and creative breakdowns. Catch you guys on the next one.